Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Okzoo token. Ticker symbol is AIOT. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, April 25th. It actually just got listed on this very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Okzoo, a decentralized AIoT machine network for real-world environmental data collection and incentivization. The world's first urban-scale and street-level decentralized environmental data network by designing and developing a decentralized AI infrastructure that serves as the backbone of the interconnected network of physical machines that empower users to contribute both external and household environmental data through handheld devices. It creates a mass-scale web of real-world environmental data that can empower innovative AI environmental ecosystems. So this token here just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, April 25th, 10 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Okzoo token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AIOT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is a BEP20 token that you could find on BSC Scan. There's 18 decimal places on this token, a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. And right now there's 8,450 holders. They have a Telegram you could follow at Okzoo_ANN, and that is the announcement channel. They have over 1,068,900 subscribers on there. Huge project. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, you'll see has 750,300 Twitter followers at Okzoo_app. The world's first urban-scale decentralized environmental data network powered by advanced AIoT machines. We introduce a novel concept named AIoT, which blends AI and decentralized Internet of Things, distributing portable AIoT machines that enable users to upload data and earn direct peer-to-peer incentives. This creates a grassroots network of physical infrastructure operated by a distributed community, offering key advantages that include, but are not limited to, contribution of hardware to earn rewards, lowering capital needs, rapid scaling, and the construction of a variety of applications that leverage environmental data received from micro-sensor nodes across the AIoT network that optimize for the personal necessity of users. So the problem, it says environmental data processing on urban scale presents severe challenges due to two major factors. First, the centralized collection of data, especially when outsourced to a third-party data collector, is virtually impossible to verify as the data itself becomes vulnerable to a single point of error. Second, the observance and recipients of the data have to trust the party that distributes data collected from the third parties, which presents reliability concerns for the data output. So the decentralized AIoT machine network is for smarter environments. So AIoT machines with microsensor nodes forming an environmental machine network. We solve the subjectivity complication of environmental data processing by creating microsensor node devices called AIoT machines and establishing a robust network of machines to gather, validate, and distribute environmental data to the masses. OKMini, our microsensor node AIoT device, detects a wide range of environmental changes or irregularities, such as air quality, noise pollution, safe zones, weather, humidity, and more for both external and household environments. Every device comes with an AI pet that adjusts its behavior based on the environmental changes it detects, making it more engaging and entertaining for users to collect data. Basically, the P-Mini AIoT device turns playful pet devices into smart, useful, decentralized networks of sensors. Essentially, every device is a mini environmental oracle. By living in eventually millions of real-world homes and thousands of external environments, cities, the IoT devices create an unmatched bottom-up sensor grid for environmental insights and behavioral modeling. Once collected by the device, the household environment and the street-level trend data are validated and stored on-chain by validator machines on the Okzoo network, powering unique AI systems and applications, allowing users to earn in the process. Similarly, with DePIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, incentives are important to run a grassroots network of physical devices for data collection. However, incentives are not limited to monetary incentives, albeit their importance. Monetary incentives is simply the foundation. In order for any infrastructure network to be sustainable, it must be engaging, entertaining, and casually enjoyable for device owners to continuously and sustainably provide real-world environmental data. So DePIN can be complex and boring. Okzoo's AIoT network enhances it by incentivizing users not just from a monetary perspective, but from an entertainment perspective as well. OKMini integrates virtual pets within every device that behave based on the user's environmental surroundings, considering that casual pet experience provides like Tamagotchi have been immensely popular for decades. Entertaining experiences within the device will aid the long-term sustainability of the AIoT machine network. Now, if you want to learn more, head over to okzoo.app. They also have a full document section over there. Check out their socials, like the Twitter and the Telegram that I mentioned earlier. And check this token out today on Mexc Global. So link will be down below for the referral code for Mexc if you don't have an account. So check that out. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.